Right. Very good evening to all of you. I'm sorry there was some technical issue because of which I couldn't start actually. Yes, so today we'll be talking about some more questions. As I said, I will not be taking too much of it, right? Today we'll be having only some 10-15 minutes of this session so that you can have a sound sleep. So, yes, so you're here with me, your friend for microbiology. This time it is your Professor Girish Kukreja, right? So, the class of fungi, I'm not wasting time at all because I know that you want to sleep. At least you don't want to study if you don't want to sleep. The class of fungi that do not show sexual reproduction is phycomycetes, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, and deuteromycetes. We know that fungi, they are classified into these 4-5 major classes. So you have phycomycetes, the algal fungi, ascomycetes, the sac fungi, the club fungi, the basidiomycetes, and the imperfect fungi, that is deuteromycetes. So deuteromycetes, they show only asexual reproduction, and therefore they are called as the imperfect fungi. Your alternaria, your famous trichoderma, which you also use in biocontrol, it belongs to this deuteromycetes. The mucorrhizopus, they belong to your phycomycetes. Your favorite mushrooms, which you eat, they belong to basidiomycetes. And the morels and truffles, they belong to ascomycetes. Anyway, I'm not a mycologist, but every microbiologist should be all kinds of logist. So class of fungi that do not show sexual reproduction, मैंने बता दिया क्या बता दे कि जिसमें sexual reproduction है ही नहीं, सिर्फ asexual है. It belongs to which? A, B, C or D? Anyone out there? Yes, it is D. Yes, Bharat Mera Bhi Mahan, Bharat, right? Very good. So it is D, deuteromycete. If I could really know your name, it would be very nice. But I know that you won't tell people. I don't know. They're very shy in telling a name. Anyways, so it is deuteromycetes, the imperfect fungi. Remember, you have not like discovered a sexual phase in these deuteromycetes. Maybe when you will discover a sexual phase in deuteromycetes, you will put it back to asco or basidiomycetes in the respective class. Yes, deutero, Ross, yes, Sakshi, it is deutero. Yes, great. RNA pol 1, right? We have different RNA polymerases in eukaryotes, right? So RNA pol 1 in eukaryotes, obviously, because in prokaryotes only one is doing all the things. It transcribes the rRNA, the ribosomal one, the tRNA, the transfer one, the mRNA, or all of these. RNA pol 1. Yes, anyone out there? RNA pol 1, it is doing what? It is transcribing what? Like formation of rRNA, tRNA, mRNA, or all of these. Anyone out there? RNA pol 1. rRNA, great. So it is rRNA. The 2 is your mRNA and the 3 is your tRNA. I won't be going into the detail of it. Yes, Sakshi. Yes, Ross. Yes, Prathamesh. Yes. It is your rRNA. Great. Which of these is not caused by a bacteria? A very kind of a question which probably you thought that it's very easy. It is not caused by bacteria. Typhoid, we know, is caused by Salmonella typhi, right? It's a gram-negative bacteria. Tetanus caused by Clostridium tetani, again gram-positive anaerobic bacteria. TB caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, again a bacteria. The smallpox, you know, is caused by a virus, right? Smallpox is very famous because your first vaccine, it came for smallpox by Edward Jenner. You remember that guy who got the first vaccine? Let's go some in history. No, Prathamesh, it's not mRNA. Pol 1 transcribes rRNA. 2 transcribes M and 3 transcribes T. Yeah, Manasvi says option C, smallpox. Great, we have gone with option C. I want to know the name of that guy who got the first smallpox vaccine. Edward Jenner ने जिसको smallpox का vaccine दिया था. You remember the name of that guy who got the first smallpox vaccine? You remember who got the first vaccine? Yes, please. If anyone of you remembers the name of that lucky guy who got the first vaccine. Yes, option C is good. The first vaccine I'm asking, like who got this first vaccine? Anyways, they are not going to ask this in your entrance examination. But then, since the guy used to live nearby my house, I know it was James Phipps. And you know the name of that milkmaid? It was Sarah, and the name of the cow, Blossom. Anyways, addition of no. Wait, it is not Joseph Mister. It is James Phipps, right? Joseph Mister was that rabies wala. Anyways, as I said that they are not going to ask this in your exam. Addition of dash subunit of RNA polymerase converts it into holoenzyme. Addition of which subunit, right, converts your RNA polymerase into a holoenzyme? Can anyone tell? Oh, I lost it. Yes, there I am. Sorry. Which subunit, addition of which subunit will convert that RNA polymerase into a holoenzyme? The subunit which will help it to identify a proper promoter, right? Which is that particular subunit? Yes, it is the sigma subunit, right? The omega subunit of RNA polymerase, like what it exactly does. The omega subunit forms a subunit association, helps them to assemble properly, helps it to bind the promoter, helps in initiation and elongation, or helps in the cationic ionic interactions. Like what does the omega subunit do in your RNA polymerase? Yes, A, B, C, D there. Yes, Priyanka says A, and that's right. It helps in the association or assembly of all the units of this RNA polymerase. Great. So that is the basic function of your omega subunit. Let's go for the next one. The primary immune reaction, like when the antigen comes for the first time in your body, the first antibody that your body produces is, which is the first one? Like which one you remember is the first antibody? IgG, IgM, IgE, or IgA. The first one which is produced. You can just mention G, M, E, or A, which is produced first. Yes. All of you got it right. It is IgM. No, Sakshi, it is not B. It is Ig. Oh, yes, it is B. Sorry. It is IgM. The one in the secretions is IgA. The most abundant is IgG. And the one in allergy is IgE, right? Which goes and binds your mast cells and releases your histamines and serotonins, right? And then you have to take all sorts of steroids and adrenalins and antihistamines to control that allergy. Collagen, the most abundant protein in your animal world, that is your collagen. It is rich in which of these amino acids? The tyrosine, alanine, glycine, or serine. Which amino acid rich is your collagen? Collagen is rich in which amino acid? Tyrosine, alanine, glycine, or serine? No, Manasvi, it's not IgG, it's IgM. IgG is the most abundant one, but पहली बार जब एंटीजन आएगा तो पहले आप IgM प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. Mr. SK is saying hello, but I really don't know who SK is. Maybe it's Shubham or what. Anyways, yes. He says what is called as your glycine. One more amino acid like is present in this, right? Collagen. Can anyone like put it in the comment box, like which is that amino acid, like which is present? It is tyrosine, alanine, glycine. Glycine to hamari aa gayi. It has that tripartite structure, the collagen. Which is another amino acid? Collagen has which other amino acid in excess apart from glycine? Yes, glycine is right. Glycine is right. Bharat Mera Mahan hai says, sir, you are, I am what like? Yeah, please complete that. So yes, yes, it's proline. Great, great, great. So it is proline. So the proline in glycine, collagen is famous in proline and glycine. Can you tell me the most abundant protein in the biosphere? Like the most abundant protein in the animal world is collagen. Like if I'm talking about the entire biosphere, which is the most abundant protein in the entire biosphere? It's Karthik Shinde. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Hi, Karthik. I'm talking about the most abundant protein in the animal world. Oh, not animal world, the entire biosphere. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. तब तक मैं डर गया ना सर यू आर व्हाट लाइक आई थॉट यू विल से सर यू आर मैड or what? Yes, I'm mad at teaching, no doubt. Yes, I'm waiting for your answer for the most abundant protein. कम से कम गूगल तो करो most abundant protein कौन सा है पूरे वर्ल्ड में, पूरे बायोस्फीयर में. Yes, Sakshi, it is Rubisco. Great, great, great. What is correct with RH factor? As I had promised, I'm not going to take a lot of your time, only these many and then a good night, right? What is correct with respect to RH factor? It doesn't have any naturally occurring antibody. It is not checked before the blood transfusion. It is seen only in humans or is present on WBCs. What? RH factor is not on WBCs, right? It's on RBCs, right? Seen only in humans? No, because see, we got it from rhesus monkey, right? So therefore it is that RH factor, the D antigen. And who was that? I think RH factor was discovered by whom? If you remember, please mention in the comment. Not checked before blood transfusion. We do check. We do check. आप check करते हैं positive है या negative है, because this RH makes it positive and negative. You do check, and yes, it does not have a preformed what you call as antibodies, which probably your A and B types have, right? 1, 1, 1. Yes. So it says 1. If I could really know who is this Bharat Mera Mahan hai, it would be really a good thing. Anyways, the coenzyme form of riboflavin. Since morning, we have seen many coenzyme forms. If you remember the coenzyme, can anyone tell? It is A, B, C, or D. The NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, flavin adenine dinucleotide, coenzyme A, or thiamine pyrophosphate. Yes, she says Karl Landsteiner. Yes, Karl Landsteiner was one of them. If you really remember anyone else who did this, who discovered this RH factor, the other one. TPP is not for riboflavin. TPP is for thiamine pyrophosphate. Riboflavin के लिए कौन है आपका? FAD, flavin adenine dinucleotide. Can anyone tell what flavin transfers? Like what does flavin transfer? Flavin transfers a amino group. Flavin transfers a hydrogen. Flavin transfers a hydride, or flavin transfers a proton. क्या ट्रांसफर करता है वो? NH3, H minus या H plus? My name is Anthony Gonsalves. I don't know what is your name, anyways. Wiener, yeah, great, Ross. It is Karl Landsteiner and Wiener. Yeah, great. H plus. You're not telling your name, and then now you're telling the wrong answer also. So it is not H plus for sure. H atom, great. So hydrogen, it transfers what is called as your hydrogen, great. What are the basic amino acids? Like all of these are basic except arginine, then histidine, aspartate, and lysine, A, B, C, D. Arginine, histidine, aspartate, and lysine, which are the basic amino acid. One is not basic out of these. Can you tell which one is not basic? No, not amino group Vaishnavi. It transfers hydrogen, which is not basic out of these. The arginine, the histidine, the aspartate, and the lysine, which is not basic. Go to the basics. अरे नहीं बेसिक नाम के साथ नहीं करेंगे. तू मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे बता दे कि वो आर यू. मैं नाम नहीं लेता. All are basic amino acid except whom? No, lysine is a basic amino acid. See, your histone proteins, they are rich in arginine and lysine, which are the basic amino acids. So, arginine and lysine, oh, I told the another one also. So, arginine and lysine for sure are basic, which is not basic, they are told. Yes, Raj, it is. Yes, it is aspartate. So, aspartate, Ross, is like aspartic acid. So obviously it is an acidic amino acid. Measles causing virus family. A good one there. Measles. It's not B. Histidine is basic. Come on. It is aspartate, right? Tell me, measles causing virus, it belongs to what family? The virus which causes, yes, Ross, it is aspartate, aspartic acid. You have another acidic amino acid like glutamate or glutamic acid. Then that is basic amino acid. Oh, not basic, acidic. This is OOO or this is 000. I'm not going to tell you who I am. Anyways, tell me this. All are like which one of these like is the family of your measles causing virus? Yeah, very good. So measles causing virus is your paramyxoviridae, the same which causes mumps, which causes your respiratory syncytial virus. All of these, they belong to your paramyxo. The flaviviridae, your I think yellow fever virus or the West Nile fever virus, which you remember, that belongs to your flaviviridae. Or dengue virus, it belongs to flaviviridae. Your Ebola, it belongs to this filoviridae. And then your many viruses affecting your arthropods and protozoans and other, they belong to plants, they belong to Bunia viridae. Anyways, so measles, mumps, RSV, all of them, they belong to your paramyxoviridae. Yes, great. It is paramyxoviridae. The cis-acting regulators, you know that the genetic elements which are not translated, right, which are just there, and other things come and bind there and they are active in that form. That is what is called as a cis element. Like you have a segment of DNA which will be transcribed and which will be translated and will show the action. That is a trans-acting element. Whereas you have a segment of DNA where something will go and just bind, and this is अभी अभी आ रही है आवाज. अभी आ रही है. Oh, thank you Swanand for saying I'm not audible. Raj, Now can you hear me? Oh, thank you so much. Oh, I'm so sorry. तो आपने cis acting सुना ही नहीं क्या? The DNA, as I told, which is what you call as present at one place and is not being transcribed and translated, then that particular element is what is called as a cis acting element. So the lac operator and the mammalian enhancer, it remains as it is. It is not transcribed and translated, and therefore it is the cis acting. So it is the lac operator and what is called as your the mammalian enhancer, which is the cis acting element. The segment of DNA which will be transcribed and which will be translated and which will be converted to something else, then that is what is called as a trans acting. नहीं था शायद. I hope like now it's audible. निकाल ही देते इसको ये. Again you can hear me now. I'm so sorry, I forgot to charge my mic. It may be. Am I audible now? I hope I am. Yes, thank you so much. I'm very bulakkad. I don't do my work well. So it is AABBCC and then you have AABB and CC. If you cross these, what is the probability that you'll have a genotype of capital A, capital A, capital B, and capital C? What is the probability of that? 1 by 32, 1 by 64, 1 by 256 or 0? What is the probability? Now you can hear me, right? So tell me. If you are crossing this capital A, small a, capital B, capital B, C, small c with capital A, small b, capital C, small c, what is the probability that you will get all capitals? 1 by 32, 1 out of 64, 1 out of 256 or 0? Great. I have to call you Mahan, and that is 0, right? So 0 is the right answer because see, double A का combination होने का सवाल ही नहीं, मतलब नहीं कि you're getting my point. All three capitals, मतलब यहाँ पे you see this doesn't have a capital at all, so you will never have a combination of this capital B here, right? So therefore, the probability of having all capitals is literally 0. Yeah, great. 0, 0, 0. Yes, it's 0. Thank you so much. Do I have a series here? I have one mathematics, right? You all love mathematics, I know. And this is going to be easy. It is 10, then it is 17, then it is 26, then it is 37, and you have to tell this. Very easy one. I didn't want to take this, but I didn't have any other. Thanks for great session, but please tell me your name. Please. Or I request like all of you to put your names, put your city, but you don't put, I don't know why you are so Lazarus. Tell me this 10, 17, 26, 37. What is next? Yes, please. The last one here now. I'm now getting too tired and too sleepy. Last one, please. Raj is very good in mathematics. Yes, Sakshi says 50. Kavita says 50. Great. Kasa kela hai? 3 threes are 9 plus 1, 4 fours are 16 plus 1, 5 fives are 6 six are, and 7 sevens are plus 1, किती आला? 50. Very good, very good. हाँ, ऐसा नेम कैसे हो सकता? I have one more, I think, like to have a good night. I have one more. My son gave me this, but I know that you'll be able to do it very quickly. But then still, it says 17 is to 102, then 20 is to what? Bagata. Tell me this one, and then you can really, really have a good night. Yes, 50 is right. Tell me this one. 17 is 102, then 20 is what? I'm waiting. Easy है ना कितीतरी. Ross got it. So how did you do it? Just multiply it by 6, right? So 17 6 is 102 and 26 is also 120. Yeah. So I think yes. Oh, 105 नहीं रे बेटा. It is 120. अब नाम भी नहीं बता रहे anyways. So I think that much would be fine, and we can stop here. Can you all join tomorrow in the morning at 7 o'clock? Tell me fast so that we can like wind it up quickly, and then we can get up early in the morning and again start our day with this microbiology. Yes, please. How many of you can really join at 7 a.m. in the morning? You can join at 7, Ross? Vivek, 7ला उठशील का तू? मला जरा doubt. Yes, thank you. Manasvi, you are from where, if I could know? Priyanka is from Nagar, I think. Vivek is from Nagar. Ross is from Mumbai. Yes, Sakshi is from Nasik. वही तो, इसलिए तो मैं बोल रहा सोएंगे सुबह, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा अभी तो सोएंगे, सुबह उठेंगे कि नहीं पता नहीं. Yes, Vaibhavi, thank you. Raj, will you really get up in the morning at 7? इतनी सुबह हो पाएगा आपसे? Anyway, so if you are in, so I'm in always. So we'll meet in the morning at 7 o'clock, right? Raj, you are from where? Oh, great, Manasvi. Great. Thank you. Raj, I think you are from Gujarat. Raj is from Gujarat. Or from where? प्रथमेश, मला तुझं तर मेन डाऊट आहे, तू सकाळी 7ला उठशील का? तू मला उठल्यावर पहिले फोन कर, मग मी स्टार्ट करतो सेशन. जळगाव. येस. Okay, so ये मेरा भारत महान is not going to tell the name, right? Please tell the name of the city at least. You are from Nagar. Mera Bharat Mahan is from Nagar. Don't know. Anyways, keep studying. If you have any specific doubts or specific questions, you think that I should take something else, like concept-wise, you can ping me on my WhatsApp. I have already shared my number. Oh, yes, right. Tulzapur. Great. So, it's a pilgrimage place, Tulzapur. We'll be visiting. ISA means what? ISA means what? Anyways, study hard. Microbiology has a lot of scope out there. Many people have that doubt, like what I'm going to do after microbiology. You love your subject, and I think many things can really go well. So we'll be connected, and we'll stop here. I think very good night to all of you. Bye bye. Take care. And अब सुबह आपने प्रॉमिस किया है ना, तो आपकी वजह से मैं भी अभी सो रहा हूँ, सुबह जल्दी उठूंगा, and then morning we can have hardly 20-30 minute session. मेरा भारत महान is not going to tell the name. इतना जिद्दी लड़का लड़की whatever मैंने देखा नहीं. Can you please tell your name or city? No. Good night, Ross. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Anyone knows a very interesting thing, like largest virus? Anyone knows like what is the largest virus? No. लार्जेस्ट वायरस आपने सुना है कभी? सबसे बड़ा वाला वायरस, एटलीस्ट द फैमिली नेम ऑफ दैट वायरस. Isa is your name. Okay, okay, great. And you are from where, Isa? What did you read? Corona is not the largest virus, Swanand. Please, Corona is not the largest virus. Corona is probably the virus which, no, TMV is not the largest virus, not at all. It was the first discovered virus. TMV is the first discovered virus. Corona is a recent pandemic virus. Anyways, कल सुबह बता दो अगर गूगल अभी नहीं हो पाया. मेगा वायरस, yes, you can go with that, right? मेगा वायरस, yeah, great. Now आप लोगों ने अच्छे से गूगल कर दिया. Anyways, good night, take care, bye bye. Yeah, Pandora can be one of them. Raj wonderfully came up with Pandora. Great. Yes, great. So should I stop now, right? A very good night and sweet dreams. मुझे तो good night बोलो कम से कम. Yeah, megavirus challenges. Great. Bye. Isa, you didn't tell from where you are. Anyways, good night, Raj. Good night. Most of you are from third year microbiology, right? I hope so. Nagar. Isa from Nagar, you are a microbiology. Anyways, good night.